Welcome to this guide on best practices for Uniswap token lists, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of decentralized finance with confidence. Uniswap is a popular decentralized exchange protocol that enables users to trade various cryptocurrencies, and having a well-curated token list is essential for a seamless trading experience. First, it is crucial to understand the importance of token lists on Uniswap. A token list is essentially a curated collection of tokens that are available for trading on the platform. These lists help users discover new tokens, manage their portfolios, and make informed investment decisions. To create an effective token list, start by selecting reputable tokens with a proven track record. Research the token's underlying project, its development team, and the community supporting it. Look for tokens with a clear use case, a strong market presence, and a well-defined roadmap for future development. Next, consider the liquidity of the tokens you plan to include in your list. Liquidity is a critical factor in determining the success of a token, as it directly affects the ease of buying and selling. Tokens with low liquidity may lead to significant price slippage, making them less desirable for traders. Another key consideration is the token's compatibility with the Ethereum blockchain. As Uniswap is built on this network, ensure that the tokens you select are ERC20 compliant, which is the standard for tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. When curating your token list, it is also essential to consider the risks associated with each token. Be cautious of tokens with unclear or unproven smart contracts, as these can pose significant security risks. Additionally, be aware of tokens that may be subject to regulatory scrutiny or have a history of price manipulation. To mitigate these risks, it is recommended to diversify your token list by including a mix of established and emerging tokens. This approach can help spread risk and potentially increase returns. Regularly review and update your token list to reflect changing market conditions and new opportunities. In conclusion, creating a well-curated Uniswap token list requires careful consideration of several key factors, including the token's reputation, liquidity, compatibility, and risk profile. By following these best practices and staying informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space, you can create a token list that meets your investment goals and helps you navigate the world of decentralized finance with confidence.